How to crop video in Premiere Pro. Hello Premiere Pro enthusiasts. Need to crop a video to focus on specific areas or remove unwanted parts? Let's explore how to crop video in Premiere Pro. Let's begin. Start by importing the video clip you want to crop into your Premiere Pro project. If you haven't already, create a new sequence with the desired resolution and aspect ratio to match your final output. The project panel, double-click on the video clip to load it into your source monitor. In the effects panel, search for the crop effect. Drag and drop it onto the video clip in the timeline. With the video clip selected in the timeline, navigate to the effects control panel, and here you'll find the crop effect settings. Adjust the top, bottom, left and right parameters to crop the video as desired. Alternatively, you can directly manipulate the crop boundaries on the program monitor by selecting the clip and clicking on the crop handles to drag and resize them. Continuously preview your video to ensure that the cropping is applied correctly and doesn't cut off any essential content. Make any necessary adjustments to achieve the desired crop. Once you're satisfied with the crop, proceed to export your video as usual. And bravo! You've successfully cropped your video in Premiere Pro, focusing on specific areas or removing unwanted parts to enhance your storytelling. Keep experimenting with different editing techniques. Happy editing, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.